Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. A superfood that can do wonders for your heart and skin, black garlic. Black garlic undergoes a special fermentation process that mellows out its pungent taste and unlocks a range of health benefits. It's truly a game changer in the world of nutrition. We're talking about boosting your heart health, improving circulation, and even lowering cholesterol levels, giving your skin a healthy glow, reducing inflammation, and promoting a youthful appearance, and even fighting off those pesky wrinkles. Imagine looking and feeling younger with just a simple addition to your diet. Stick around as we uncover the amazing benefits of black garlic, from its antioxidant properties to its potential in boosting immunity, and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, we've got tips and recipes for everyone. So, what makes black garlic a nutritional powerhouse? Let's dive into the science behind it. It all comes down to antioxidants. These are essential compounds that help protect your body from oxidative stress. Black garlic is packed with these powerful compounds, even more so than regular garlic. The fermentation process it undergoes enhances its antioxidant levels. Antioxidants act like little bodyguards for your cells, protecting them from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals are unstable atoms that can cause significant damage to cells. These free radicals can wreak havoc on your body, leading to inflammation and increasing your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. Black garlic's potent antioxidant properties help neutralize these harmful free radicals, keeping your cells healthy and functioning at their best. Incorporating black garlic into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your overall health. Let's talk about heart health for a moment. High cholesterol can lead to clogged arteries and an increased risk of heart disease. Studies suggest that black garlic can help lower harmful LDL cholesterol levels and boost heart-healthy HDL cholesterol levels. By incorporating black garlic into your diet, you can support healthy cholesterol levels and protect your cardiovascular system. Another key aspect of maintaining a healthy heart is keeping your blood pressure in check. High blood pressure puts extra strain on your heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of serious health problems. Black garlic contains compounds like S-allylcysteine that help relax and dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. By adding black garlic to your diet, you can support healthy blood pressure levels naturally. Inflammation is another major culprit when it comes to our health. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of health problems, including heart disease. Black garlic's powerful anti-inflammatory properties help calm down inflammatory responses in the body. By incorporating black garlic into your diet, you're not just adding flavor but also giving your body an extra boost in the fight against inflammation. Now let's move on to how black garlic can work its magic on your skin. Collagen gives your skin its structure, strength, and elasticity. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. The antioxidants in black garlic help protect your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, preserving your skin's natural collagen. By fighting off these free radicals, black garlic helps keep your skin firm, supple, and youthful looking. Acne is a common skin concern that can be frustrating and affect our self-esteem. Black garlic possesses natural antibacterial properties that can help combat the bacteria responsible for causing acne. These properties help inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation and preventing pimples from forming. We all dream of having that healthy, radiant glow, right? Black garlic can help you achieve just that. It contains sulfur compounds known for their detoxifying properties. These compounds help eliminate toxins and impurities from your skin, leaving it looking brighter and more radiant. By incorporating black garlic into your diet, you can give your skin a natural glow from within. Wrinkles are a natural part of aging, but that doesn't mean we can't minimize their appearance. Black garlic is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Regular consumption of black garlic can help combat free radical damage, improving skin elasticity, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles over time. Embrace the power of black garlic and age gracefully with healthy, youthful-looking skin. Now that you know all about the incredible benefits of black garlic, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your daily life. One of the easiest ways is to enjoy it as a snack. The fermentation process gives it a sweet, tangy, and almost balsamic-like flavor. You can eat black garlic cloves straight out of the jar, kind of like you would with roasted garlic. Its soft, chewy texture and unique flavor make it a delicious and nutritious snack. Black garlic is also incredibly versatile and can add a depth of flavor to your favorite dishes. Its savory, umami flavor makes it a fantastic addition to sauces, soups, and stews. Imagine a creamy mushroom soup with a hint of black garlic or a rich tomato sauce enhanced by its unique flavor profile. Black garlic can also elevate your marinades, infusing meats and vegetables with its savory goodness. Another simple yet delicious way to enjoy black garlic is by incorporating it into a spread. Mash a few cloves of black garlic with a fork and mix it with some olive oil, herbs, and spices of your choice. Spread this flavorful concoction on toast, crackers, or even use it as a dip for vegetables. For those who prefer a warm and comforting beverage, black garlic tea is a great option. Add a clove or two of black garlic to a cup of hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Black garlic tea is a soothing way to enjoy the health benefits of this superfood. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of black garlic. This unique ingredient has been cherished for centuries, and now you know why. From boosting heart health and fighting inflammation, black garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients. It also promotes radiant skin and reduces wrinkles, making it a true game changer in the world of superfoods. Incorporating black garlic into your diet is easy and delicious, with endless possibilities to explore. You can add it to salads, soups, and even desserts. Whether you enjoy it as a snack, in your cooking, as a spread, or as a unique ingredient in your favorite recipes, or even in your tea, black garlic offers a versatile way to enhance your meals. Black garlic is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall well-being. Its benefits are numerous and its uses are diverse. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support means a lot to us. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and stay updated with the latest trends in healthy living. Share this video with your friends and family so they can discover the amazing benefits of black garlic too. Together, we can all lead healthier lives.